the poor and needy, and bid the weak be strong, to give vessels for sighing, their darkness turn to light, whose souls condemned and dying were precious in His sight. Each comes down like showers upon the fruitful earth. Love, joy, and hope like flowers springs in His path to birth. Before Him on the mountains shall peace and herald go, and righteousness in fountains from hill to valley flow. Kings shall fall down before Him, and gold and incense bring. All nations shall adore Him, His praise all people sing. To Him shall prayer unceasing and daily vows ascend, His kingdom still increasing, a kingdom without end. O'er every foe victorious, He on His throne shall rest. From age to age more glorious, all blessing and all blessed. The tide of time shall never His covenant remove. His name shall stand forever.